my tinies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am literally so tiny. I am 4'10" and on a good day I am 4'11", but you guys do not need to know my height. With that being said, today's video is actually gonna be this giveaway that I did in my last video. So it's gonna be I had to go back and edit it and say that it is closed because you guys cannot enter anymore. So thank you so much to everybody who entered. I will be checking that you are subscribed to my makeup channel and that you guys are subscribed to this channel as well. And I do have everybody's names on here. There were 10 people who commented in that video. So thank you all so much. I will be having some more giveaways. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a big giveaway, or because I have some more palettes coming in and I kind of want to do individual little palette giveaways kind of thing, so more of my followers can have a chance to win. So with that being said, today's giveaway is gonna be on this palette right here, the Kaleidoscope by Profusion. It is super amazing. I absolutely love it. I will be creating more looks with this video. As you can see, I have no makeup on and I have my glasses on, so I'm sorry if you guys can see the glare. I'm kind of like, all right, there you go. That's a little bit better. I'm blind right now. I literally cannot see. But anyways, I have everybody's names on here. As you can see, hello, gorgeous. So I'll give it a big, good shake. Let's see who the winner is. And like I said, the winner has to be following me on both my Instagram and my YouTube channel. And if they are not following me, then I will have to redo this video and pick another one. All right. So let's mix it up a little bit more. All right, you guys ready? I have the winner right here. The winner is Anayeli Alvarez. Girl, you are the winner. Congratulations, and thank you for subscribing to my channel and following me, because I know she is following me. She is one of my a supporter who is constantly following me on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. So I know that she comments here and there. So I'm very glad that she won, because she is a supporter who has been supporting me since day one. So I'm really glad that she won, guys. Ooh, yay, woohoo! So congratulations to Anayeli. And guys, I will be having more videos. If you guys let me know if you guys want me to do a more like a big giveaway, or kind of do like smaller individual giveaways, kind of like two 1 palettes, you know, like really good palettes and stuff. That way I can actually have more of my followers win more and more, you know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. So thank you guys all for subscribing, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that little red button down there so you guys are subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And like I said, I will have more videos coming. And I'm sorry, you guys, can you see, like, I really need to put some makeup on, like, ugh, my kids are sick. But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys today. I will be uploading and editing this one really soon, maybe today. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Bye, my tinies. Mwah.